July 22nd became a landmark day in the project's history. Sovelmash received permission to put the facility into official operation. This document was issued by the Moscow State Construction Supervision Committee. Receiving the permit means that numerous required inspections have been passed successfully, and the DETB is fully ready for productive work and can officially carry out its activities on a full scale. The permit to put the facility into operation immediately enabled Sovelmash to register ownership of the completed facility with Rosregister. Electronic copies of supporting documents have already been received. The originals will be handed over to the company after August 5th. Another key event in July was the release of the first batch of angle grinders with an asynchronous drive using Slavyanka technology. The first units have already been sent to customers who pre-ordered them. Sovelmash also received a register extract for the angle grinder's conformity certificate on safety and electromagnetic compatibility. In addition, serial production of parts continued for other innovative products, aircraft and enclosed electric motors. Sovelmash specialists carried out flight tests of the drone with an improved, lightweight frame design. The aim was to adjust both the software and other elements of the unmanned aerial vehicle, and also to build piloting skills, because the Super Heavy class drone behaves in the air very differently from its lighter counterparts. Tests in strong wind showed progress. The drone's controllability and stability have improved. Journalists from major Russian media outlets, the REN TV channel and the Izvestia newspaper came to watch Motylyok's flights. Reports about the drone have already been published on their websites. In them, journalists note its unique magnet-free motors, found nowhere else in the world, and Motylyok's incredibly high payload capacity. They also write that such a drone is needed in agriculture, rescue operations, industry, the army, and other fields. Let us recall that Motylyok is the world's only drone powered by asynchronous motors. It can carry up to 300 kilograms of cargo through the air. Learn how you can support the project and become a member via the link in this video's description.